Good morning, this is a short screencast about cost tracking in Amazon Web Services or AWS. If you use AWS on a regular basis, you'll be familiar with this. This is the Amazon Web Console. Fantastic as it is, it does have some limitations. So if you have a lot of resources, perhaps running in multiple AWS services, distributed in multiple regions across the world, I find it very easy to lose track of some of those resources and not realize I'm running them until the end of the month when I discover that I've been billed for them. The AWS Cost Explorer will help you understand what you've been consuming, but of course that's only retrospective. It'll only tell you the next day what you spent the day before. And so what I've been working on is this. This is Cloudlog.live, which is a service giving you real-time information about what's happening in your cloud at that moment. You can see we've got a list of events here, and new events are coming in, highlighted in blue, a timeline showing how those events are distributed over time and keeping track of when the events come in. And then we take that information and aggregate it to produce this view of all of the instances in your account, and those can either be organized by region and then service, or service and then region and then instance, to make it really clear what's there. And crucially, extract from that a meaningful cost projection on what you're about to be charged. Now, because this is real time, it's bang up to date, and so when you create an instance, in this case, or remove an instance, you can see that it's changing that cost projection. And we can do that on a daily, monthly, or yearly basis. Because it's real time, it's up to date all the time, and that means that the cost projection, as it's keeping track of what's going on in your account, is giving you an accurate reflection of what your account's actually going to cost. Next steps for this, well, we're going to broaden it out to some more clouds. So I'm looking at Azure at the moment, and probably Google Cloud and DigitalOcean. Also more services within those clouds to give it a more comprehensive feel. But where it's heading is comparisons. One thing to be able to look at an AWS account and understand where instances are underutilized, so where perhaps you could use smaller instances and realize real cost savings there, or whether other AWS services are available that could offer a lower cost alternative, or where you could run those same instances in similar services in another cloud provider. So if your VMs are going to be cheaper in Azure, Cloudlog.live is going to show you a comparison that gives you that information. So you can then choose where workloads can be migrated, what the cheapest, most economical cloud is for you to put your instances in. I hope that's useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks very much.